Have you ever wondered why ginger has been used for thousands of years in kitchens and traditional wellness practices around the world? This simple root is more than just a cooking ingredient. Ginger is widely known for its powerful natural compounds, unique flavor, and impressive health-supporting properties. From helping digestion and supporting the immune system to easing nausea and adding warmth to meals, ginger has become one of the most popular natural ingredients used in daily life. But here's the important question: how should ginger actually be used? When is the best time to consume it? And how much is considered reasonable for daily use? In today's video, we'll explore the major health benefits of ginger, different ways to use it safely, the best times to consume ginger, ginger tea, ginger water, raw ginger, and cooking uses. Who should be careful with ginger? Common mistakes people make when using it. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how to include ginger in a balanced and practical lifestyle. So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's begin. 1. What is ginger? Ginger is a flowering plant whose root is commonly used as a spice and food ingredient. It has been used for centuries in many cultures, especially in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. The scientific name of ginger is Zingiber officinale. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols and showgills. These compounds are responsible for ginger's strong smell, spicy taste, and many of its beneficial properties. People use ginger in many forms, including fresh ginger root, dried ginger powder, ginger tea, ginger juice, ginger oil, ginger added to meals and smoothies. One reason ginger remains popular today is because it is easy to add to everyday foods and drinks. 2. Nutritional value of ginger. Ginger contains small amounts of several nutrients, including vitamin B6, magnesium, potassium, copper, antioxidants. Even though ginger is usually eaten in small amounts, its active compounds may still support overall wellness when used regularly as part of a balanced diet. Ginger is also naturally low in calories. 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger contains only a small amount of calories, while adding strong flavor to meals. This makes ginger useful for people trying to reduce excessive salt or sugar in cooking because ginger naturally enhances flavor. 3. Supports digestion. One of the most well-known benefits of ginger is digestive support. Many people drink ginger tea after meals because ginger may help the digestive process move more comfortably. Some people use ginger to help with occasional bloating, mild stomach discomfort, feeling too full after eating, motion-related nausea. Ginger is especially popular during travel because many people find the smell and taste soothing during motion discomfort. Warm ginger tea is commonly consumed after heavy meals because it may create a warming and calming feeling in the stomach. Best time to use ginger for digestion: after meals, during travel, in the morning with warm water. Simple ginger tea recipe: 1 cup hot water, 3 to 4 thin slices fresh ginger. Let steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Optional: add lemon. Add a small amount of honey. 4. May support immune health. Ginger is often included in wellness drinks during cold seasons. This is partly because ginger contains antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Many people enjoy ginger drinks during colder months because the warming sensation can feel comforting. Popular combinations include ginger and lemon, ginger and honey, ginger with herbal tea. However, it's important to understand something clearly: ginger is not a cure for illness. Instead, it may support overall wellness as part of a healthy lifestyle that includes balanced nutrition, sleep, hydration, physical activity. Best time to use ginger for immune support: morning, during cold weather, after exposure to cold environments. 5. May help with nausea. Ginger is widely known for helping many people manage feelings of nausea. This includes motion sickness, travel discomfort, mild morning discomfort, occasional stomach uneasiness. Many travelers carry ginger candies or ginger tea during long trips. Some people prefer ginger tea, ginger chews, small slices of fresh ginger. Because ginger has a strong taste, small amounts are often enough. Important reminder: people with medical conditions or pregnancy-related concerns should always consult a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes. 6. Support heart health. Some studies suggest ginger may support heart health when combined with healthy habits. Researchers continue studying how ginger may relate to healthy circulation, balanced wellness routines, antioxidant protection. But remember, no single food alone creates good health. True wellness comes from consistent habits such as eating balanced meals, exercising regularly, managing stress, sleeping well. Ginger can simply be one helpful ingredient within a healthy lifestyle. Good ways to add ginger to meals: stir fries, soups, smoothies, tea, salad dressings. 7. Help reduce inflammation supportively. Ginger contains natural compounds that researchers continue studying for their possible supportive role related to inflammation. Some physically active people enjoy ginger tea after workouts because of its warming and soothing properties. Again, balance matters. Healthy recovery also depends on proper rest, hydration, nutrition, physical activity. Ginger should not replace professional medical advice or treatment. 8. Best ways to use ginger. Now let's discuss practical ways to use ginger daily. 1. Ginger tea. One of the easiest and most popular methods. Best for relaxation, cold weather, after meals. 2. Ginger water. Add fresh ginger slices to water and let it sit for several hours. Some people drink this in the morning. 3. Cooking with ginger. Fresh ginger works well in soups, rice dishes, vegetable meals, chicken dishes, herbal drinks. 4. Ginger smoothies. Add a small amount of fresh ginger to smoothies for extra flavor. Popular combinations: ginger plus banana, ginger plus mango, ginger plus pineapple. 5. Ginger with honey and lemon. A common homemade wellness drink. Use warm, not boiling, water. 9. When is the best time to use ginger? Different people use ginger at different times depending on their goals. Morning. Many people drink ginger water or tea in the morning for a refreshing start. After meals. Helpful for people who enjoy warm drinks after eating. During cold weather. The warming feeling of ginger is especially popular during colder seasons. Before travel. Some people use ginger before long trips. Before bed? This depends on the individual. Some people find warm ginger tea relaxing. Others may prefer avoiding spicy drinks late at night. 10. Who should be careful with ginger? Although ginger is generally enjoyed by many people, moderation is important. Some individuals should speak with a healthcare professional before consuming large amounts of ginger, especially people who take blood-thinning medications, have certain digestive conditions, are pregnant, have medical dietary restrictions. Also remember, too much ginger may cause stomach irritation, heartburn, digestive discomfort in some people. Moderation is key. 11. Common mistakes people make. Mistake 1. Using too much. More is not always better. Small, consistent amounts are usually more practical. Mistake 2. Depending only on ginger. No food alone can replace sleep, exercise, balanced nutrition, medical care. Mistake 3. Drinking extremely strong ginger daily. Very concentrated ginger drinks may irritate the stomach for some people. Mistake 4. Ignoring individual reactions. Every body responds differently. Pay attention to how your body feels. 12. Simple daily ginger routine. Here's a simple example routine. Morning. Warm ginger water with breakfast. Afternoon. Ginger added to lunch or smoothie. Evening. Light ginger tea after dinner. This balanced approach may help people enjoy ginger without overusing it. Conclusion. Ginger has remained popular for generations for a reason. It's flavorful, versatile, and easy to include in everyday life. From digestive support to soothing warm drinks, ginger can be part of a balanced wellness routine when used reasonably and consistently. But always remember, real health comes from daily habits. No single ingredient can replace nutritious food, sleep, movement, hydration, professional healthcare. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with friends and family, and comment below, how do you prefer using ginger, tea, cooking, or smoothies? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.